What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am starting my day at our main shop. Outside the door here I have our Ford Mason dump. It is full of garbage. The guys brought it back here last week from a job site they were on, and they didn't get back here till like 6 o'clock, so all of the dumps were closed by the time they were leaving that job. And they haven't used the truck since then, so it's just been sitting in our parking lot full of garbage. So I'm gonna run that to the dump today and get it empty, and then I am meeting the guys at the new addition job that we have been on for the past couple weeks. Alright guys, I am down at this new addition now, and we were actually here yesterday as well, but I didn't make a video here. But as you can see, all of the sheathing on the second floor, at least on this side over here and the back, is all on. The guys are around front right now doing the front sheathing. We got a couple guys up on the roof. I'm gonna climb up there in a couple minutes and we'll take a look at that. Come around the front here, see we got two guys working on that far right corner sheathing. Got a couple guys working on the downstairs. You can see the windows got pulled out this morning. All of the gable studs up top are done. A lot of extra touch-up framing inside on the second floor is done. That's what we were working on yesterday. But hopefully we can get all of the sheathing done today. These guys have been going for the past 2 days, just sheathing this whole place. We got a couple guys up there on the second floor doing some sheetrock nailers and stuff like that. Oh, actually, they're furring down the ceiling right now. I talked about that in a previous video, how we have to fur it down about 6 inches to get the correct size insulation in there. So that's what they're working on. We'll walk up there in a minute and take a look at that. But down on the first floor here, you can see these windows on the front got pulled out. He's working on cleaning up the framing for the new entryway there, and we're moving right along. I'm gonna climb up this ladder real quick and get up on the roof. We'll take a look at that, and then we'll walk around the second floor. All right, guys, so we are up here on the roof, and these guys are moving right along. They got it shingled all the way down to the end, and they only have a little piece on the corner left up here. This is a roofer's dream right here. There are a couple skylights going in, which we'll have to cut out later, but you have no ridges. It's all flat, it's square. There's one little bump out over there, but overall this is about as easy as it can get for roofing here. Also, this lower section down here is complete all the way across, except one row along the top there. So these guys are in good shape right here. Time to go down into the second floor and we'll take a look at everything down there. All right, guys, so down here on the second floor addition, you can see all of these gable studs are in over here, obviously with it being sheathed over here in the middle, separating the master bedroom and this attic space. They are all in, and then the front gable wall, they're all in as well. And you can see up here the 2x6 added to each rafter to give us the correct depth for the insulation that we need up there. That's what these guys have been working on. Everything else on this floor hasn't really changed. I think we framed in these headers and these little closet doorways. I don't think anything else up here changed. Let's head on down to the first floor. All right, guys, so down here on the first floor, those guys are working on a header over there. That is a second door out onto the front porch. The main door, we just laid it out, is right here. So this will be the front entryway right here. So of course it doesn't line up with the windows at all. Either way, all the framing would have to get changed. So not that big of a deal. But I have right here the front of the house, so you can see a double door here and then the front entryway right here. The deck goes all the way from the end of the house pretty much to about here somewhere. So this is how it'll look with the staircase right up to the front door here. But we have a lot of cleanup framing to do in here in order to get everything how it is supposed to be. But I'm about to get out of here. Me and Rodrigo have to run to our shop and get a truck prepped for tomorrow. It's actually the Freightliner. My father is moving it. It has our excavator on it, and he wants us to just go through the machine or the truck and make sure all the oils are good, batteries good on it and whatnot. And we also have to load some of the ground protection mats, these things actually. We have to load some of them into the dump truck to go to the job with it. So that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.